IAS Academy. In this video, we'll have a discussion of dated April 13, 2021, the Hindu newspaper discussion. So, as on request, there was a request for this video about this questions through the Hindu news analysis through questions. So, this being a very good initiative, I have got the good responses for this. So, I am starting off with this discussion from April 13 newspaper. Let us see what are the news articles which are important, and attempting such questions from the newspaper and analyzing the newspaper will give you a better hand in writing your mains answers. So that is the main motivation, and taking up such videos will help you to write good answers, understand the topic in a better manner. So let us see what are the important articles. Actually, I have chosen the very much important articles, and some other articles also we can take up the points and note on it. But these are very important articles. I suggest you to take down the topics, take down the questions and try to answer them, and you can post it on our comment channel, and also you can post it on our discussion portal in the Believers website, and you can also write answers to us also. So thus that will be in a very good manner to tell you and help you in guiding you through the daily mains answer writing. So we'll take up the articles now. So as you can see in the first paper, Sensex rupee slip on fear of pandemic, inflation surges. This topic, retail inflation quickens to 5.52%, that is page 14, and lockdown fears spook market centric fall to 3.5%. So all these articles are mainly telling you one thing. There is one motive. The point is, the important point with all these three articles is telling about the inflation surges, and then the retail inflation quickens, then the fear of market falling down. Fall, rise. So, what is all this is relating to which thing? Why is this inflation surges up, and why is this rise and fall of numbers happening? That is due to one thing, that is our spooky pandemic, as I can tell you. So that is why the question is curated like this. Impact of surge in COVID-19 cases and possible lockdowns on Indian economy. What are the most affected things, and how can they be normalized again and way forward? As you can get this is a very beautiful question, I feel, because what are the ways, impact of surge in COVID-19 and second wave is starting, and the number of cases are also increasing. So what are the things which will affect? Inflation will surges up, shoots up like anything. Then lockdowns fears the unorganized sector. So all the 3 points you have it here for a single question. So keep this in mind and try to write answers on it. Impact of COVID-19 surges on the possible lockdowns on Indian economy. As I have suggested you this question in a very different format in my previous videos only. The same pattern. Keep it up here. Give the intro. A scenario based answer could be would be a innovative form. You can suggest a scenario where a street vendor possibly getting locked up, possibly getting a fall in when the lockdowns are imposed, a street vendor or unemployed youth. All this scenario based answers could be written for this question. So that is why take up this question. A very innovative answer could be drawn for this, and the rise and fall points you have from this articles itself. You can take up these numbers, you can take up on the inflation targeting, how inflation targeting is done and everything, and a scenario based answer could be drawn for this. So we finished the GS1, so you can relate this to UPSC GS3 Indian economy. Okay, then next topic is GS2 page 1. As cases surges parallel across Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine. So this is a very good topic. We can talk about how cases surges, and you can relate to this UPSC syllabus, GS2, health. Under the topic health, Sputnik 5, a Russian COVID-19 vaccine, approval for emergency use, authorization in India amid the surge in COVID cases. How this approval is done, and when such statements will be given, and they will just provide comment on it. This could be the keyword for this question, that is Sputnik 5, Russia's COVID-19 vaccine, approval for emergency use, yes. Authorization in India amid the surge in COVID-19 vaccine. Why? How Sputnik 5 got into this, and emergency uses, that could be ICU or anything, and comment. We have to comment on it. So just think, just take up this thing. A background should be given. A background should be given, and three things should be included in this. What were the effects and drawbacks of that vaccine, and why it was not already approved, and why it is only approved for the emergency uses. So all this and the credentials. Side effects are there, or how are the credentials taking up. All these three things should be included here. So for this complete information, you can actually visit our website and look upon this Sputnik 5, and a very comprehensive detailed analysis of daily current affairs is given on it. So you can refer to Believers IAS Daily Current Affairs and put it as Sputnik 5 Russia. Just go and visit the April 13th Daily Current Affairs section, and you'll get the complete information about Sputnik 5, and you'll get the fodder to write your daily answers. So I suggest you people to just go and look upon the Sputnik 5 Daily Current Affairs which is put up on our website, and try to take up the fodder from that, take up the answers from that, and write a good answer for the mains. You can relate this to GS2, governance part also. Then, in the paper 1, so there is a topic for Northeast citizens faced bias amid pandemic, and you can relate this to GS1, social justice, and GS2 also, social justice, and in the context of polity, you can take it as social justice. So this topic is very much interesting. You can already relate to your basics, that is Vyasa basics, to, I'll tell you, provisions for articles for untouchability, prohibition of untouchability, discrimination under the grounds of caste, creed, look, and the origin or the ethnicity. You can all relate to this basics and give a good background for this. So we'll see how Northeast citizens are actually considered as Chinese people only. So the article is very good and telling us about how this discrimination should be cut down and equal representation should be given to everybody. So findings of Indian Councils of Social Science Research, ICSSR, study on racial discrimination and hate crime against Northeasterns in India causes concerns and a way forward. So you can talk upon the report which is provided by ICSSR. So when such important reports are provided in your answers, will give a good helping hand, will make the answer very good, and the statistics and the points which are included in this answers will be a innovative one. So include the points from ICSSR then, and how hate crime, two things should be discussed here, how hate crime and racial discrimination has been taken up in India from the history, and then connect to your basics Give the articles definition, Article 19, Article 17, the untouchability, discrimination on the basis of caste, creed and everything, and give up the way forward also, such that equal representation, equal treatment, equality should be upheld rather than racial discrimination. So that should be your way forward. Give any example in that and positively end with this thing and with the way forward. Then next question. So in page of 13 GS2 there is a topic, very interesting topic. Iran blames Israel for nuclear plant outage, pledges revenge. So Iran and Israel. So take this places in news, the surrounding areas, the Chabahar port, any places related to Iran and any places related to Israel. All this, make a note on it. Places in news are frequent questions in UPSC prelims. Then this could be related to international relations, GS2, UPSC syllabus. Then let us see the question. The ongoing Iran-Israel tussle over the attack on Natanz nuclear facility, implications for the regional peace and security and a way forward. What is the main point here? The implication for regional peace and security. So when Israel is blaming for the nuclears and the centrifuge which is provided by the Iran, the IG6 centrifuge which is provided by the Iran in the strategic place of Natanz, and coming out from the breaching the 2005 nuclear deal, Iran is giving a chance for Israel to encroach on this nuclear plants. So all this detail in a pictographical representation you can actually put it up, and how in your body you can actually tell the peace and the security how it is going on. You can actually give this in a pictographical representation, the background and how 2005 nuclear deal was breached by Iran, and then at last you can end it up by the nuclear centrifuge, and how other countries, Israel or any other countries which is trying to proclaim on this, and the revenge of this all is making a huge disrage. So all these things could be included and given a beautiful way forward could be written for this. So Natanz is in news, so take care of this and write a good answer for that. Then just to page number 6. So page number 6 is telling about save the deal, and you can also include to IR, international relations, and it is telling about the Vienna talks on the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA. Highlights significant issues of contention and suggestions to resolve them. So it is just a simple JTAS, a proper JTAS could be given. I would not go further for it because this is a very dataful and a very what I can tell you is you have to work on it, research on it, give the important thing. Body should include the Vienna talks and how Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action is helping others. Significance. So this is a 3-step question now. Significance, issues of contention and suggestions for resolving them. So this is a 3-step questions. Try to answer in a different manner, and you can increase your words to 250 words and write a good answer for this. Then, so these are the other 3 questions which I have curated. You can take down these questions, relate to your newspaper and write a good answers for this, and could be discussed in a very detailed manner. So first question is that China-Sri Lanka relations and implications on India's individual involvement in both the countries and areas of concerns and suggestions. So this is also a 2-step question. How India-Sri Lanka relations and implications on India's individual involvement with both the countries and the suggestions on it. So simple, you can write it on the relationships between the Sri Lanka and India and how you are eligible for the involvement. Then Know about the multinational military exercise Shantar, Agrasena, aims, participants, location, significance. This is how you can make the notes. Just by seeing the question, you can make your notes. Then, the US naval exercise in the Indian Exclusive Economic Zone. This is a very important topic for your prelims 2021. Make a good note on it. Exclusive economic rights. How far the sea is for us. So, exclusive economic zone is very much important. India's objection and US challenge to India's claim, and how know about the emerging differences in understanding the navigational freedom. So try to give a scenario based answers for such question. So this third question could be answered by a scenario. You can actually provide some real time scenarios and give the example of it and make a good answer for this. So that is how these three questions you can answer by your own. Write up in the comment section. Try to write it up. Show it up in the comment section. Would be very happy to correct them and give more guidance towards writing the mains answer writing. I hope this were the very important articles from the date April 13, 2021. And you can actually await for more such newspaper discussions and questions will be put up in the further videos. So for further current affairs videos, current affairs daily mains answer writings, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Believers IAS Academy YouTube channel. You can subscribe to that. You can also log on to our website Believers IAS.